a go.
Alright guys, so this is part 4 of my drift build. I did something special yesterday. Check it out. I picked up an engine. You know, it's just a KA for now, just you know, so I can learn to drift, all that good stuff. And let me go ahead. As you can see, it's gonna need a head rebuild, so that's gonna be another video. So today we're gonna remove the head, take it off, and then just go from there. Alright, I already took the valve cover off, so now we're just gonna take off the distributor cover, whatever that is, shield, and then we get to it.
If you want it, we can get it for the low. Come and shorty, I can go show you the ropes. All the lights dancing on me like snow. Catch a vibe from the city, it's a go, yeah.
It's that easy.
Palm trees, tequila, ocean, you see us. Drop by the meters, they stop by to meet us. Flexing my feet, texting my secrets. 3 stripes, Adidas, right now the season. My name Jango tight, you know summer we get crazy.
Alright, so now that the cam bearing caps are out, we're gonna go ahead and take out the cams. So there goes the head. So now we're gonna take all the extra shit off, and you know we'll have a clean block. Or not really clean.
Oh, you can get it.
Yeah, we won't get that bitch clean.
Get wavy, on the hunt for ladies. Get the packs of latex. We don't need no babies. Niggas need my help. Only text back if they pay me. Yeah. I changed my role in this shit. I did. I got new gold for my wrist. You boys gon' fold just a tip. Whoa. We got control of this shit. Whoa. Control of the motion within. Yeah. It's 90 outside and we heating up. Go to the ocean with it. Ocean with it. Ocean with it. This shit so smooth, steady boat with this shit. My team all down and we coming with hits. Out of the park, I swear shit is so lit. I think I like it, she already know.
Here we go, part 2 of the first video. We're disassembling the block, because you know we got to get ready for the machine shop. You know, I got my boy Jason, Marlon. We're gonna get this shit done.
The chance that it's already blown. Man, it's the summer, you already know. All these hoes down to be freaks on the low. If you want it, we can get it for the low. Come and shawty, I can go show you the ropes. All the lights dancing on me like snow. Catch a vibe from the city, it's a go. If you want it, we can get it for the low. Come and shawty, I can go show you the ropes.
It smells like burnt popcorn. Y'all don't smell that shit too, bro? I thought it was tripping.
That's from the engine?
Yeah. Yeah, next one.
All the lights dancing on me like snow. Catch a vibe from the city, it's a go, yeah, yeah.
Japan! You had to put that in, bro. You had to put the Japanese and the knees.
Bro, it's all going in there, bro.
It smells like horse shit.
Mierda de cow. How you say cow in Spanish, bro?
Vaca.
Oh yeah, vaca. Yeah.
Make a move. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Put that bit right there.
Fuck Nissan, bro.
That's gonna be good.
Fuck Nissan, that shit piss me off.
This was a bitch to get out.
Look.
It'll be a bitch to put together.
Just finished. Bare block. As you can see. Now on Monday, gotta take it to the machine shop. Get the block machine, and then after that, reassembly, and then hopefully going in the car. Shout out to Jason.
See.
Shout out to Marlon. We got this.
This thing retarded as
Soon.
fuck. This thing is stupid, bro. This thing retarded as shit.
Don't put that nigga.